Many students mix these two words up. Let's fix it in under 3 minutes. Mr. Mitchell here, and welcome to Nothing Fancy Literacy. In this lesson, we are learning about homophones. Homophones are words that sound the same, but have different meanings and different spellings. Today we are focusing on where and where. Let's start with where, W-H-E-R-E. Where asks about a place or a position. Where are you going? Where is my hat? Now let's look at where, W-E-A-R. Wear means to have clothing on your body. I wear a hat. She likes to wear boots. Here's a simple way to remember them. Where, W-H-E-R-E, is about a place. Where, W-E-A-R, is about clothing. If you're talking about clothes, you use where, W-E-A-R. Now it's your turn. Choose the correct homophone to complete each sentence. Are my shoes? A school uniform. Do you live? Pause the video here, and then we'll check the answers together. Let's check the answers together. Where are my shoes? I wear a school uniform. Where do you live? If you got those correct, well done. Keep learning with our Learn Homophones playlist. Next, watch our lesson on No and No. Like and subscribe to help more people find our lessons and improve their English. I'll see you in the next video.